Today we are going to talk about alcohols. Alcohols are the family of organic compounds that contain hydroxyl group, that is OH group, attached to one carbon. Okay, they are derived from hydrocarbon by replacing one hydrogen atom with hydroxide. Okay, general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Okay, or CnH2n plus 2 O. Okay. Functional group determines the chemical properties of alcohol. For alcohol, the functional group is OH, okay, hydroxide. That is the first 10 alcohols. The first is methanol CH3OH, ethanol C2H5OH, and propanol C3H7OH, butanol is C4H9OH, and pentanol C5H11OH, and the list go on till C10H21OH. These are the first 10 ethanols. Okay, structure of ethanol is quite simple. The molecular formula is C2H5OH. Okay, and the structure formula I will show here. So one second. There is two carbons, five hydrogens, okay, and one OH group. Okay, so that's a simple formula for ethanol. Physical properties of ethanol. Okay, so alcohol generally are colorless liquid. Lower members have characteristic odor. Mix well with milk with water. Small alcohol, higher boiling point than alkanes for the same size because of the hydrogen bonding and are flammable. Trends in alcohol: as the carbon atom increases, boiling point increases, melting point increases, solubility in water decreases, viscosity increases, and volatility decreases. Same as alkanes and alkenes that we discussed in the last lecture. Alcohol can go these reaction: combustion, oxidation, dehydration. Higher level knowledge we will not discuss here. Reaction with sodium metal. Okay, combustion of alcohol. Alcohol burns in oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. For example, ethanol. Ethanol with burns in presence of oxygen gives us carbon dioxide and water. Okay, and that is combustion is an exothermic reaction, so we know that combustion release heat. Okay. Oxidation of alcohol. Alcohol can be oxidized to ethanoic acid using an oxidizing agent such as potassium acidified potassium dichromate. Okay, that is a strong oxidizing agent. So potassium dichromate will give us oxygen that we will add into the ethanol, and that will become ethanoic acid. We will next lecture we are going to talk about the acids. Okay. Orange potassium dichromate solution changes to green when it oxidizes anything. In this case, it is oxidizing alcohol. Okay, specifically ethanol. Reaction with sodium metal. Okay, so it gives us hydrogen gas and sodium oxide. Okay, so for example, ethanol reacts with sodium. It gives us sodium alk oxide plus hydrogen. Okay, there will be a gentle fizzing, hydrogen gas will be released. Okay, preparation of ethanol: how we can make ethanol. Fermentation: glucose is converted into ethanol by yeast. Temperature should be 30 to 40. No oxygen should be present and yeast should be present. Okay, so that is uh, that is the reaction in where we convert glucose into ethanol. Okay, so that is glucose, sorry, and that is ethanol. Okay, advantage that it is a renewable process, whereas fossil fuels are not renewable. Uses plant material. Okay, glucose we can get from the plants. Okay, it is the disadvantage is it is a slow process and produce dilute ethanol. Okay, that we cannot use as a fuel. Hydration of ethane. Ethane reacts with steam to form ethanol. So whenever, for example, C2H4 plus H2O gives us what? C2H5, one second, and OH. So ethane plus steam gives us ethanol. Okay, ethanol. Now we will discuss the catalysts that we use, conditions which should be there to produce ethanol from alcohol from alkenes. So we need phosphoric acid, high temperature, high pressure. Okay, you can see that I have already written that down. That is a fast reaction and produce pure ethanol. Disadvantage uses non-renewable crude oil. Okay. Comparison of preparation method. Fermentation uses glucose. It's renewable. It's slow. Low purity ethanol uses yeast, whereas hydration uses ethane, non-renewable, fast, high purity ethanol, and uses phosphoric acid catalyst. Okay, uses of ethanol. Ethanol is used in alcohol beverages, hand sanitizer, solvent, fuel, medicine, perfumes, and a lot of other things. Methanol is used for industrial solvent, fuel, and production of formaldehyde. Methanol is highly toxic. Okay, so you have heard that the people who make alcohol by themselves in home result in a lot of deaths. Okay, advantages of ethanol as a fuel: burn cleanly, renewable when produced by fermentation, and reduction depends on the fossil fuel. Disadvantages: produce carbon dioxide when burned, uses agriculture land if produced from crop, low energy content than petrol. Okay, environmental effect: ethanol release carbon dioxide and water. Okay, although ethanol produce CO2, bioethanol can be reduced net zero emission because the plant used absorbs CO2 during growth. Summary of the topic: alcohol are organic compound containing OH group. Functional group is hydroxide. Journal formula is C2H2N plus 1 OH. Fermentation produce ethanol from glucose. Hydration will produce ethanol from ethene. Oxidation will produce ethanol from ethanoic acid, and combustion will produce CO2 and H2O. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to take online classes, contact us.